Investing in art is a timeless way to diversify your portfolio and add a personal touch. From modern masterpieces to emerging artists, art investments can appreciate significantly over time. However, it's essential to invest in pieces you genuinely love. Start by researching galleries and attending auctions. Build relationships with curators who can guide you to valuable acquisitions. Remember, art is not just about financial returns, it's also about cultural and emotional value. Want to know more about building an art investment portfolio? Stick around and follow for expert tips. Rare coins are not just historical artifacts, they're a lucrative investment opportunity. Coins like the 1933 Double Eagle or Morgan silver dollars have skyrocketed in value. Start by learning about coin grading and rarity scales. Network with collectors and dealers to spot the best buys. Be cautious about authenticity and store your collection securely. While coins can hold significant value, they also offer a tangible connection to history. Ready to add a rare gem to your portfolio? Let's dive in. Gemstones are more than just beautiful, they're a store of wealth. Precious stones like diamonds, emeralds, and rubies can offer long-term value appreciation. Key is understanding gemstone grading and certification. Work with reputable jewelers or gemologists to ensure authenticity. Colored gemstones are increasingly popular, offering great opportunities. Proper storage and insurance are crucial to protect your investment. Want your portfolio to sparkle? Gems might be the answer. Rare and collectible whiskey bottles have become a hot commodity. Limited editions from brands like Macallan or Yamazaki often appreciate in value. Start by researching sought-after distilleries and production years. Proper storage in controlled environments is essential to maintain quality. Whiskey auctions can help you find rare bottles. Investing in whiskey isn't just lucrative, it's enjoyable for enthusiasts. Curious about turning liquid gold into financial returns? Here's how. Rare books are more than just reading material, they're valuable assets. First editions, signed copies, or historically significant texts often fetch high prices. Learn how to evaluate condition and provenance before purchasing. Build a network of collectors and dealers to find hidden gems. Proper storage is vital to preserve their condition. Investing in rare books is not just profitable, it's intellectually enriching. Ready to turn the page on your portfolio? Let's explore. Classic cars are a stylish and profitable investment for enthusiasts. Models like the Ferrari 250 GTO or vintage Porsche 911s often appreciate over time. Focus on vehicles with historical significance or limited production runs. Restoration and maintenance can increase value but require expertise. Storage conditions are crucial for preserving quality. Investing in classic cars combines passion with profit. Looking to add horsepower to your portfolio? This is how to start. Rare and antique musical instruments like Stradivarius violins can be valuable investments. Focus on instruments with historical significance or exceptional craftsmanship. Work with appraisers and collectors to identify rare comic books like Action Comics The Sumster 1 or Amazing Fantasy Sumster 15 are highly sought after. Learn how to grade comics and identify valuable editions. Auctions and collector networks are great places to start. Proper storage is crucial to maintaining condition. Investing in comics is not just about nostalgia, it's a smart financial move. Want to turn your childhood passion into profits? Here's how. Farmland is a stable and tangible asset with long-term growth potential. As demand for food increases, so does the value of agricultural land. Research locations with high productivity and low climate. Leasing land to farmers can provide steady income. Diversify with crop types or livestock options. Investing in farmland is not just profitable, it's sustainable. Looking for a rooted investment? This might be it. Fine wine is more than a luxury. It's a growing alternative investment. Focus on wines from renowned regions like Bordeaux or Napa Valley. Proper storage in climate-controlled cellars is essential. Research vintage years and reputable producers for the best return. Wine auctions and platforms like Livex make buying and selling easier. Investing in wine combines pleasure with profit. Ready to raise a glass to your portfolio? Here's how. Water is becoming an increasingly scarce and valuable resource. Investing in water rights or companies linked to water management, such as utilities or water technology ETFs, can be a smart move. Water rights allow owners to profit from the water they control or have access to. Although this investment often requires significant capital, it provides a unique way to diversify your portfolio amidst global climate challenges. Farmland and forestry are tangible assets offering stable, long-term returns. Investors can benefit from land appreciation, leasing to farmers, or timber harvesting. These investments also serve as an inflation hedge. With the growing focus on sustainability, the value of such assets is expected to increase. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, represent a new frontier in digital art and collectibles. By investing in high-quality NFTs, you can achieve substantial returns if you focus on projects with real value and artistic merit. Pay attention to platforms like OpenSea and keep an eye on market trends as this space evolves rapidly. Catastrophe bonds provide payouts to investors as long as no predefined disaster occurs. These bonds are linked to risks like hurricanes or earthquakes, offering a unique diversification tool due to their low correlation with traditional markets. Complex, they appeal to investors seeking innovative ways to expand their portfolios. Pharmaceutical patents can be a lucrative investment since successful drugs generate significant revenue. Investors can back pharmaceutical companies directly or focus on licensing firms that own these patents. Understanding the regulatory environment is essential, as drug approval processes are lengthy and complex. Rare stamps are a timeless investment opportunity for collectors and investors alike. Valuable stamps with historical significance or rarity tend to appreciate over time. While patience is key, this market offers a tangible and potentially rewarding way to diversify your portfolio. Investing in film production offers a chance to combine creativity with financial returns. You can invest via production funds or directly support indie films. While risky, a successful film can deliver significant profits. This niche requires a keen understanding of market demand and project quality. Collecting classic cars is a blend of passion and investment. Vehicles with historical significance, limited production, or pristine condition often appreciate in value. These assets require regular maintenance, but their prestige and potential returns make them a fascinating alternative investment. The shift to renewable energy is creating a wealth of investment opportunities. Solar farms, wind turbines, and hydroelectric plants are increasingly profitable as demand for green energy rises. You can invest directly in projects or through ETFs and stocks in the renewable sector. Crowdfunding platforms like Seedrs and Crowdcube allow everyday investors to back promising startups. This type of investment is high risk but can offer huge rewards if the business succeeds. Diversifying across multiple startups is essential to manage risk.